Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to be unboxing another brand new 2020 television from Sony. This time we've got the X900H. We've got the 65-inch version here, so stay tuned because we're going to open this up. Okay, so we've got the TV all set up. We did have to do a couple system updates along the way. You may have seen that in the montage part of the video, but we did those. It took some extra time, but we got the TV up and running. It says it has HDMI 2.1. We've gotten confirmation from Sony that it has HDMI 2.1. The features aren't working yet, it seems. We hooked up an Xbox and we weren't able to do variable refresh rates, no auto low latency mode quite yet, but those should be coming. In fact, by the time you watch this video, it may have already happened. Hasn't happened quite yet as of the filming of this one, but otherwise it's a really great looking picture. As far as the smart features go, this is really snappy. Moving through the menus, moving through the apps and everything was really quick. We're gonna go into more detail in our overview video of this one. We just kind of wanted to give you guys a first look and kind of give you our initial impressions. So as always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.